This one, the coolant gauge is not working, but it's also not getting any communication with the PCM. This is, I think, a 03 Avalon or an 08 or something. I forget what year. Obviously, I got to dig in on this. It's got CAN communication codes elsewhere, not in that. It's already disassembled. I think this was replaced. I can see the wiring here is kind of not that great. The engine coolant temperature sensor was replaced. It was disconnected when I got here. I don't know where any of this stuff is supposed to go. And this, I don't know where any, oh, here. So maybe whatever. I'll figure that out later. We got this one here too. I don't know what that goes to. But this is bone dry. And found some more wires that are all messed up. That one too, and down there. They've been doing a lot of poking. They replaced that thinking it was the problem. They replaced that thinking it was the problem. Replaced this module thinking it was the problem. This is busted. This busted. Yes, there's no coolant in it, but I really don't care right now because I have no communication. Nothing's going to work without any communication. So I'm going to have to dive into what is it busted up to? I'm going to have to dive into wiring diagrams to see, what is this? I think that's to the horn. See what's going on. So let's see what we got here. We got CAN high. I think this is the wrong one. Let me see. Yeah, it's the wrong one. I'm gonna show this one. Where is it? This keyboard is hot as hell. CAN bus 2. Where is it? I think I'm on the wrong one. Let me see here first. Let me see here. Oh, here it is. All right, the ECM is 120. Okay, so, and the ABS system is 120. I have the negative cable disconnected. I have my scan tool disconnected. And my breakout box here, I'm on 6 at 14, and I got 125.6 ohms. So I basically have an open circuit. So is it the ECM or the ABS? That's the one I gotta find. That's gonna be a bear to get to. I got a dead car over there. This car's dead with flat tires. I don't know if I can get under here. I'll probably have to take the seat out to get under here to get that ECM down. But there's also a dead Tesla here. So getting under here for there's like a junction box is not going to be as easy as well. And I have the easiest thing to get to is the ABS. So what I'm going to do with the ABS is I'm going to find the communication wires and I'm going to add a resistor and see if I can get this number to change. If I get this number to change, then I know that that's likely the issue. I still got 125. Is that right? 125? Yeah, 125, right? And as of now, I have the ABS unit completely disconnected. So this is kind of telling me that I'm reading the ECM. So I think this might be my issue. I'm going to see if I can get some resistance in there to match, to bring it down to 60 ohms, and see if I can get some communication out of this. So here we go. I have a variable resistor in here at the ABS module, 120 ohms on that. We come to here, which I'm at 6 and 14 down here. I'm at 63, okay? And now I will disconnect that and you'll see that it goes up to 120 something, right? That's disconnected now. 126 ohms. So we have a bad ABS module. And that's the diagnosis there. Whether that can be taken apart and repaired, I don't know. It kind of looks like, going off of that sticker, like this is a replacement unit at some point. That's where we are. Needs ABS module. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to hook this back up, and I want to hook the battery up, and I want to see if I can actually talk to the ECM, bypassing that. Let me see. Okay, now as I thought, there's a lot of glare here, but now my ECM is back online. So I can come in here now, and now I have communication with, I have no codes at the moment. Let's look at live data just to see. Oh, wait, unable to communicate now. Wait a minute. I just had communication for a second there. Let me see, function. VIN. That's not what I want. Oh, come on. No data available, but I'm able to at least communicate partially. I can't see live data. Any active tests? Control volume, fuel, speed, TC, blah blah blah. Let's see what we got here. I want something to make noise. Activate control. Well, let me take a look here. See if I can do anything here. This test activates the electric cool fan. Yeah, all right. So that proves it to me. ECM is good. See, now I can communicate with the computer.
Yeah. Yeah, ours didn't cut on. That's weird.
Yep. So this needs an ABS module. That is the diagnosis.